first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Today we're going to be working on a GE stove. The customer complaint is that the oven is not working. Actually, it says that the bake element is not working. This is the model number of the stove. And this is the part, if you see on your right back, it looks bad. But we're gonna make sure that's the only issue on this model. We're gonna remove the two racks and we're gonna take a pick on the actual heat element. Right there, it looks like it's damaged, so we're gonna go ahead and verify that the actual control board is still fine. We're gonna go ahead and remove the two screws that are holding the heat element. Now go ahead and make sure you pull the stove out and disconnect it on the outlet or turn off the breaker. As you see, I already have disconnected. This is just for safety. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the this back panel to be able to test the bake heat element. As I was saying, we removed those two screws. At first I just got them loose, but now I'm actually removing it because I want to make sure the stove was disconnected. That is the old heat element. Now here we have the new heat element. Set it in place. Make sure the screws holes are in place. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the two screws that we removed earlier. Just try to adjust the screws the way they were. Go ahead and install your two oven racks. like so. Now we will pull the stove back out to be able to connect the electrical terminals on the back. Now sometimes these terminals open up when you're removing, so what I'm gonna do is with my needle nose pliers, just clipping in to be able to have a better grab. Don't close them all the way because it's gonna be hard to get them in the terminal, but just try to adjust it. That way it has a better grab on the terminal and it doesn't give you a shortage or an issue down the road. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the screw on the cover panel. Plug your stove back and the outlet. Put your stove back in place. Now I'm just trying to put the clock back in real time because while I disconnected, it got delayed. Now I'm turning the oven on, and we're just gonna wait for the heat element to turn red hot to make sure it's gonna work fine. We already feel some heat, but we're just gonna wait just to verify that it's working properly. Yep, we got some heat. As you see, it's already turning red like it's supposed to. And this means that our repair has been a success. Now when the heat element is all messed up the way I show on the video, you already know as the heat element, but if you're not sure, you can check for ohms or for continuity on the heat element terminals to make sure it's the heat element. Thanks. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.